Good afternoon, students. We have gathered here to understand a few basic things about English grammar, and we were already under progress with determiner chapter. And so far, we have learned that this determiner always forms a group, and it has got five parts in that group. Number one was article, that we have learned it well with the previous classes, and the other one is quantifiers, which we are in. This quantifier says like those words which quantifies or limits some nouns in a sentence are called quantifiers. And as you know that quantifiers has got some parts in it, like quantitative adjective and numeral adjective has got its two main part of these quantifiers. So today we will deal with this quantitative adjective in this quantifier terms of determiner faculty. Here you see that some examples is there, always there, some, any, little, a little, a little, much, all, several, many, few, a few, a few, like all that. So today we will start with the application of little. This little is saying that not much or hardly any. If little comes without article in a sentence, it means it has got nothing in itself, you can say. Like he has little chance for recovery. This sentence reflects us that he may not recover, or he may die, or he may suffer, like that. While the other meaning of little with the article a or the has got some positive meaning in it. Like you see, a little has got some meaning, some, but not much. He has a little chance for recovery. That this sentence reflects with some article. This little is coming, as you see here. It has got some change meaning. He may possibly recover. So you can see with putting some article that takes some different turn in the language, and it may pose some threat to your knowledge, or this your knowledge may suffer if you don't put a force to the right things. Here then the definite article the little is saying not much but all there is. The little has also got some negativities involved, but it has got some positive aspect with somewhat substance it carries. So little, this all form of little will be used with uncountable nouns, or you can say with material nouns, while few has got same meaning or same application with few, a few, or the few, and few are used in countable nouns, you can say. So that way you should understand that which articles quantifies or does what to which kind of nouns, you can say. Here you have seen through some few has got meaning, negative meaning, none, nothing. He has few friends means he has no friends. But if I say he has a few friends, it means that he has some friend, some but not many. When we use the article with the same few, it becomes not many but all there are. So likewise there are some and any is also there, some application is there. You can write out here, some is always used in affirmative sentence. Some is always used in affirmative sentences, while any is used in interrogative and negative sentences. So that you will learn later in the next lesson, but you need to copy it properly, interrogative or negative side. Like so, these quantifiers will help you a lot in order to understand or in order to have some proper information. Okay, you copy it well. These are the applications of some quantifiers: little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few, some in affirmative sentences, any in interrogative or negative sentences, like that. You need to be more smart for the cause, and my best wishes are always with you. Okay, I hope you all are in a good health. Enjoy yourself and study also as well with all your heart. Okay, fine.